Are you a muscle car enthusiast, always eager to discover the quickest beasts from the golden age of American muscle cars? Look no further. In this video, we reveal the top 4 quickest muscle cars of 1969, a year that saw the rise of some of the most legendary and iconic muscle cars of all time. So, rev your engines and join us as we dive into the 4 of the fastest muscle cars of 1969. However, before we begin our countdown, we'd greatly appreciate it if you'd subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 4. 1969 Yenko Chevelle 427 SYC. Don Yenko was known for his exceptional work on muscle cars, and in addition to his famous Camaros, he also built a limited number of Yenko Chevelle 427 SYC models in 1969. This special edition Chevelle was equipped with a potent 427 cubic inch V8 engine that produced 425 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. Although the Yenko Chevelle was heavier than some of its peers, it still managed to achieve impressive performance numbers, clocking a quarter-mile time of 13.31 seconds at 108 miles per hour, as documented in the June 1969 issue of Super Stock and Drag Illustrated. Only a select few lucky individuals were able to get their hands on one of the 99 Yenko Chevelle models that were produced in 1969. Of these, 13 were built with an automatic transmission, while the remaining 86 featured a 4-speed manual gearbox. Number 3. Chevrolet Camaro SS396 L89. The Chevrolet Camaro has long been one of the most iconic American muscle cars, and the Camaro SS396 L89 represents one of the most outstanding variants of this classic car. This powerful machine was equipped with a potent 397 cubic inch big block engine, which was complemented by the regular production option, RPO L89. This combination produced a remarkable 375 horsepower and 415 pounds-feet of torque, making the Camaro SS396 L89 a force to be reckoned with on the road. The L89 package was the result of Chevrolet's efforts to reduce the weight of the engine, and it included a number of high-performance upgrades. These included aluminium heads, high compression, solid lifter cam, forged internals, and a 4-barrel Holley carburetor mounted on an aluminium intake. These enhancements helped to improve the car's overall performance, making it faster and more agile on the road. According to the 1969 Supercar Annual magazine, the Camaro SS396 L89 was capable of running a quarter mile in just 13 seconds at 108.6 miles per hour. Number 2. Plymouth Roadrunner 440 6-pack. The Plymouth Roadrunner 440 6-pack was a remarkable muscle car of 1969, and its mid-year A12 option was a huge hit at the drag strip. For a cost of just $462.80, the A12 option offered drivers a 440 cubic inch engine with 3 2-barrel carburetors, a fiberglass hood, hood pins, and steel wheels with red-line tires. This high-performance engine produced an impressive 390 horsepower and 490 pounds-feet of torque, allowing the Roadrunner 440 6-pack to record a quarter-mile time of just 12.91 seconds at 111.8 miles per hour. Only 1,412 units of the Roadrunner 440 6-pack were produced, split between 615 coupes and 797 hardtops. These limited edition models are highly sought after by collectors and muscle car enthusiasts, thanks to their rare combination of power and style. Number 1. Yenko Camaro 427 SYC. Don Yenko was an American racing driver and Chevrolet car dealer who left a lasting impact on the muscle car industry. He was best known for his creation of the Yenko Camaro SYC, a car that's still celebrated today for its raw power and exceptional performance on the road and at the drag strip. The Yenko Camaro SYC was equipped with a massive 427 Chevrolet big block engine that generated a stunning 425 horsepower and 460 pounds-feet of torque. This mighty engine was matched with a range of performance features, including a high-flow air induction system, a 4-speed manual transmission, and a posi-traction rear end. The car's performance was tested by Super Stock and Drag Illustrated magazine in 1969, and it was able to complete a quarter-mile run in just 12.59 seconds, reaching speeds of 108.2 miles per hour. Thank you for watching this video on the top 4 quickest muscle cars of 1969. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing cars. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, hitting the like button, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss a video.